Hiya, it's Adam here, and what we're going to be covering in this training is going to be why your leads are not converting. Okay, so it's quite a simple process, and when you see the mistakes that companies, businesses are making, how much money they're wasting by not doing this properly, it's absolutely crazy because there is such an easy fix available out there. Okay, so what generally is happening? People are going there running paid adverts. Okay, so businesses are out there, they're running paid ads, whether this is on Google Search Network, Google Display Network, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Snapchat ads, all the different things out there where you can be sending adverts to. And what they're doing is they're actually taking from an advert, which is given answering a question. Somebody's typing into the search terms and they're trying to provide a solution to this. So they're putting that on, people are clicking on the advert, and they are then being taken to the company's website. That's it. That's as simple as it is. That's all these adverts are looking to do, is go from the advert itself to the website. Now, a lot of the issues with advertising isn't at the advert end. They convert in, they're getting clicks, they're getting this because they're being charged a fortune to pay for these clicks, so they're definitely getting the clicks out. But the disconnect is at the actual landing page on where the people, the visitors, are being taken to. And this is where the biggest problem lies, because what companies are doing, they're clicking on the advert or they're paying for the advert, it comes through and they are sending these visitors directly to their website. And when they land on their website, they're not looking to collect any information or details from these visitors, and the visitor doesn't get what they want and they leave. That way the company has spent however much, anything up to sort of £20–30 to get a lead, and it's not converted. And the company hasn't even captured something as simple as an email address or a phone number to give them the power to actually follow up with these leads. So they're just throwing money away. Now, like I said, in this video I'm going to show you a few examples. So we'll start off. I'll just flick across to Google. Okay, so we're in Google now, and we're just going to use the search networks as the example. So what I'm going to use, somebody needs emergency roof repair. Okay, so they've got a leak in the roof, so they come onto Google and they look for an emergency roof repair. Okay, so they land here, no job too small, and these are all adverts, these are all being paid for. Okay, so they're paying money for these. So just to give you an idea, I'm going to go across to Uber Suggest. Okay, now I've already put in, I put roofing repair, but it's the same principle. Okay, now there, for somebody to click on your advert can cost you up to $23.20. Now you can convert this to pounds or whatever. I've just got it on the US one rather than the British one. In fact, let's quickly go on now. Let's change it. UK. Click down the bottom, of course. Change now. Emergency roof repair. So, it's not too bad. £4.72 per click on average for an emergency roof repair. Let's get 720 visitors a month, which isn't too bad. Difficulty, very difficult to rank for and get up the top. Lots of people, but not that bad if you wanted to go organic. Okay. So here it is. There's more information, and on average costs £4.72. There's one there for a 24-hour emergency roof repair near me. Again, that would be an easy one to dominate and get through, and that people are paying £6.2 to get on that. Now, bearing that in mind, so £6.2. We come back now. I'm not going to use these because I get charged, but I have gone in and done a bit of revision already. Okay, so they've come in here and they've clicked on an advert, and I've already got a couple open. This one here, CSM Northeast, complete service maintenance. This is bidding on emergency roof repair. So if you were to click on here, you would come through to this website. Now, this website is not giving any solution to the problem. This is just a general roofing website, you know, about conservatories, PVC windows, doors. So if someone lands on this from that advert that they've paid for, what do you think they're going to do? That's right. They're going to click back out and they're going to come back to Google and carry on with their search. Now, they're not interested. They've cost that company £6, £4, whatever. Okay, but it didn't answer the question they were asking. They need an emergency roof repair. So, they click onto a different one. Oh, roof repair specialist. Okay, why replace when you can repair? This is selling free roofs, or they're going to do repairs on your house. So you're going to have to put in for a quote for them. It's basically offering them a new roof. It's not offering them an emergency roof repair. And it's not saying they can come out and they can rescue you and save you and deal with the issue. So again, what are you going to do? You're going to click away. And that is what people are doing. So again, that's cost them between £4.70 odd and £6 to get that lead. That there was no way, they've not even captured the information. Okay, so this is another one. Your local roofing specialist. Again, how do I contact them? There are numbers up there. But flat roofs, tiled roofs, roof repairs on lead roofs and roof repairs services, gutters, gallery. There's nothing even on here about emergency roofing solutions. Okay, pictures of roofing solutions. You've got a nice big contact form there. It's got the map on it, which is good, showing the area they cover, but nothing about emergency roof repairs. And this is the issue. So again, what happens? People will click out, especially if they're doing it on their phone. It's going to be even faster. There's nothing there for them to work with. Okay, so none of them are any good. Okay, and this is where you want something called a landing page. Now, these are websites, mini micro websites that have been specifically designed to answer the question that searchers are answering for. So if someone types in emergency roof repair and they click on the top one, which is, right, we do emergency roofing repairs and this, that and the other, they click on it, you want to be taking them through to something that looks like this. Now, this hasn't been made to look beautiful or anything. This is purposely a simple website. So they land somewhere that tells them, we are the emergency roofer. This is the service that we provide. You've got a contact number there. You can call for an emergency roof repair right now. The areas that they cover. You have your call to action here that auto fills, so people can literally go, all right, contact me as soon as possible. And they can click on that and it will immediately send you an email to say they are looking for you. A little bit of information about your company, not a lot, just some very key benefits to your company and working with you. Then you can go down and put a bit of fluff in there, you know, the other services that you have. You can have countdown counters if you want stuff, if it's like a paid advert or it's a special offer, 30% off if you call within a certain amount of time. Then you're going to have more numbers, more stuff here to make sure, we're mindful, we will be there on time, we'll be there as soon as possible. Okay, you could have then on your testimonials of, you know, other clients that you've worked with, why they want to be working with you, and then the areas you cover, and again, more pre-populated calls to action in there. But the most important part is this at the top. You can jig it around, change it slightly, use images to make it look a bit prettier. Okay, so they've landed on this page and they've put it into their phone, and this is the most important part that you want to get on. Okay, so they click onto there, you can see that, and you go up, one click of a button, and they've got your phone number in there and ready to call you. Oops, I've done the wrong one, that back one there. Or the phone number at the top, so they can literally hit the phone number and they can call your business. That is all you want them to do. There's nothing more complicated about it. There's no point in putting tons and tons of information on these pages, because all you do is confuse the person who is landing on the page. You don't solve the problem. You don't scratch the itch that they were looking to have scratched. Okay? So you need to keep things simple, keep things really, really easy. So with that in mind, I've put together a set of training videos that you can go and watch if you want. It's completely free. You can go in, check it out. I also have this website that you're looking at here. There's this one. There's a couple of other ones there that you can have completely for free. All you do is go across to the other training page, just put in your details, and then you'll go through to the free training where you can access this website, and it will go through exactly what you need to do to set up and start creating landing pages that will convert your customers or your potential customers or people traveling from paid adverts into actual clients and people picking up the phone and calling your business. Now, in this example, I've used Emergency Roofer. It's fantastic for any roofing business, any emergency service business, but it also applies to any business at all that is running paid adverts. So if you're running paid adverts, and even if you're doing it from an agency and you're going, oh, spend my money for me, start putting this, implement this information. Do not allow agencies to just go, yeah, we'll send you loads of traffic. They know that traffic's not converting, but they don't care. That doesn't affect what they are earning from this. They are just doing what you have instructed them to do, which is run adverts and send them to your website. So stop making this incredibly expensive error. Start generating landing pages. It's dead easy to do. Once you've got used to this, you've got the template, you can be building a landing page for your business about 5-10 minutes. Every single advert could have a separate and independent landing page, and you'll not only see your conversions massively increase, you will also see that your ad spend will drop. And the reason is Google rewards adverts that are relevant. If people are clicking on your ad, going through and taking action, they will actually put you to the top of the adverts for a lot less money than what your competition is paying. All the ones that are sending adverts direct to their websites, people are clicking out or not getting the solution they want, Google will charge more in the auctions to actually have their advert in that position, because it is not relevant to the searchers. Google is all about providing good quality user experience. Okay, and this goes from Google adverts through to organic marketing and through to local maps and everything else. Okay, if you have any questions, you can email me at adam@adammacwebdesign.com and I will be able to help you out. Alternatively, there'll be my phone number down below this video or within this training just to help you out. So stop making these basic errors, get out there, start creating landing pages, and start converting your visitors into paying clients. Okay, I hope you enjoy this. Hope it's beneficial. Hopefully you'll go and check out the rest of the training. Okay, thank you very much.